Hi, my name is Jacob, and this is going to be a walkthrough of our 2016 Forest River Georgetown. This is an amazing camper you're not going to want to miss. As you first walked in, you are welcomed with retractable steps. Super awesome for getting in and out and for mobility. You also have an electronic keypad, which is really nice. You can set your own code, make it really easy so you don't have to stick the lock in and out every time you want to go in and out from the vehicle. Walking on the inside, I love all the different colors that you already get in here. All the newer campers are very dull and very just monotone, and I don't love it. Let's start up here in the very front. Obviously, you have your seating for the driver and passenger and all your controls. We'll get to that later on. You do get some storage right up in here. Try to focus there as well. But then you also get something really cool right here. This is actually probably a twin or maybe a full-size bunk right up here that somebody could sleep in. It is really easy to get up and down in. Kids would be here as about a 200-pound limit that you could have somebody up here for, but really nice, and it's really nice that tucks away so it's not in the way all the time. Moving on, we do have a newer couch that has cup holders on both sides. You even got some USB ports plugged in here as well. And this is a hide-a-bed, which is nice, so you have even more sleeping room there. Also, your dinette set here as well, more cup holders. This does have 8 seatbelts in total. So you'll get seatbelts over here, seatbelts on there, and then seatbelts obviously on the front. You have a really cool little fireplace here. Just makes it nice and cozy. Big residential fridge that somebody's put in. That is a huge plus. Moving over to the kitchen area, you have a 3-burner cooktop. Over here, your microwave, which can also work as a convection oven, so you can cook in this as well. This is the first bathroom. Yes, you heard that right, the first bathroom. This has 2 bathrooms. Very simple, just your sink, toilet. You got a medicine cabinet there, another mirror there as well, and then you have your sliding door. Then you have your sliding door shower with your shower right there as well. Lots of room in here. I'm about 5'8", so if you're 6 foot or over, I'm sorry, you shouldn't have been so tall. Moving on to the master bedroom, this is huge right here. You have probably a good 4, maybe even 5 feet right here of space, and a massive wardrobe right here with TV. Obviously, you can fit all your clothes in there, down on the bottom as well, just tons and tons of storage. You're also equipped with a king-size bed. You heard that right, sleeping like a king. More storage up top, little pedestals on the side, and lighting up top. This is fantastic. And last but certainly not least, you have the master suite here in the back. Tons of storage from top to bottom. You obviously have your sink, your toilet right there, and another sliding glass shower. This is awesome to have so that way you don't have to share with anybody, guests, children, whoever you don't want to share with. That's going to wrap up the tour of this 2016 Forest River Georgetown. This thing is awesome. It's a big name for a big camper. If you're looking for an RV that has lots of room for your family on travels, this is the one you're gonna wanna get. Priced at only $49,950. You don't wanna miss out on it. We've already had lots of inquiries on it, and we have barely posted it for sale. So come check it out in person or ask us on our website. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching. Bye.